Hi everyone, welcome to Joy As It Flies. I'm Teresa if you're new here, and I deal with the cooking side of things on this channel. So today I really want to make some sourdough discard recipes. I've got quite a bit of sourdough discard. I've got some in this pot here that I've been saving, and also some in my normal sourdough jar. And I need to use up some of that so that I can feed it so I can make bread. So I was thinking that I'm going to do some cheese crackers and also some marmalade muffins and that's going to be a bit of an experiment because I've not made that before, but in fact I've not made sourdough muffins before, so that's an experiment too. But I've got a jar of marmalade that I'd like to use up, and I've got the sourdough, so I thought, why not give it a go. The muffin mixture's chilling in the fridge and it has been for a little bit, so I'm going to now work on the discard cheese crackers. I've got a mixture of cheese to use up. I've got some grated cheddar and just a little bit of that, and I've also got some red Leicester, so I will probably use a mixture of cheese and get those into the oven. So you want to spread this out on the sheet and get it as thin as possible. I think that's as thin as I'm going to get it now. Be careful that it is even, because you can have it so it's too thick in the middle and too thin on the out edges, and then you just have a bit in the middle that doesn't cook. I'm going to put this in the oven now for 10 minutes, take it out and score it, and then so it would be easier to break up afterwards, and then pop it back into the oven for a further 10 minutes and see how it is. It might need a little bit longer to cook, but we'll see then. The crackers took about another 20 minutes after I scored them, so 30 minutes in total, and that's because I wanted them really crispy. So I would advise cooking them for 10 minutes, scoring them, pop them back in for 10 minutes, and then see how they are. You might like them a little bit softer. I actually then tore them apart and placed them all out on the tray, and then pop them back in, and then, as I said, it took about another just under 10 minutes, and they're really crispy and delicious. The muffins are also done, and I had a bit of an explosion on some of them, which I've trimmed down, but they still look really good. I don't know how, that happens to me all the time when I make muffins. I think I film them up too much. So if you've got any good ideas of what I can do, please leave that in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. Really helps our channel, and have a great week. Bye.